Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2018 and we have the issue with the instruments panel right here behind the steering wheel. As you see,
Big savings.
it's not working, sometimes blinks, and when I disconnect the battery and put it back again, it works for as long as 2 seconds and then it shuts off again. So okay, I have seen, let's try this one. I've read that if you tap the start button like around 15 times, sometimes more or less, and it comes back. So this is the second one. It says without starting the engine. So this is the 11th, 10, but it went off again. It goes off again. Okay, this is the 14th time. It goes off again. I don't think this solution works quite really permanent. So yeah, it won't work, or at least in this case it didn't work. All right, this is the second option. Now it says that we gotta go to the info cluster. Let's see, without starting the engine. So don't start the engine, go to settings right here and then go to cluster and then go to restore cluster settings. Let's go to OK. I hope it doesn't take too long. Okay, and it didn't work. As you see, it didn't work either. Oh, hold on. It seems it's working. Oh no, it went off again. Oh, it went back again. I hope it keeps on. So let's see if I turn it on. Okay. Oh, it seems it went back after resetting the cluster instrument and then trying the start stop thing again one more time. It's working back. All right guys, I'm gonna follow up if this happens again. All right guys, it's been 10 minutes and so far it's good. So that's a good sign. All right guys, at the end, it went back to work, you see. So it's been 1 day and it's still working properly. So we can say we fixed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.